Today I have these 3 anchors. They came from the Dollar Tree. I have a red, a white, and a blue one. They also have a baby blue one available. I'm going to take a piece of thicker jute and unravel the 3 pieces that they twist together. So now I have 3 pieces of jute. I'm going to take each piece, and on the anchor starting at the top back side, I'm going to staple it in place. I like these handheld staplers. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I'm going to wrap it around the anchor and then secure the other end to the back side on the bottom. And I've repeated this for all 3 of the anchors. Just twisting it around, securing each end in place to the back side, and I'm holding mine down with a staple. Next, I have this piece of wood. You can get these pre-cut. I believe it's 18-inch at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl smoky quartz. I also found this hook rack at the Dollar Tree. It's metal. Once my paint had dried on my wood, I'm going to apply some E6000 to the back side and secure that to the board that we painted. Now the E6000 is an industrial strength glue. It does take several hours to dry, so I'm going to clamp it on both the left and right side and let that sit. Once it dried, I remove my clamps, and I'm now going to place each anchor onto the hanger, starting with the red one. I'm using my clamp to hold it in place, and then going from the back side, I'm going to pre-drill. This wood will split if you do not pre-drill. And then I'm going to take a screw and my drill, and I'm going to go from the back side, and I'm holding each anchor in place with a screw. And I place this across my hanger, nice and even. The 3 of them fit there perfectly. Now, if you do not like the anchors, you could take this hanger idea and place any item to fit your decor. To finish it off, I found this word relax at Michael's. They've been having these pre-cut words in the unfinished wood section at a reasonable price, and I painted that in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. And once it was dry, I just put the L up through a piece of the jute on the white anchor. And now you have this very easy Dollar Tree hanger that you could place in your bathroom. It does go over a door, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.